Time again for Behind the Law with Dennis Vetrano. Welcome back, Dennis.
Good to see you, Joe.
Good question from one of our listeners. Why is it important to deal with a law firm that focuses solely on divorce?
Well, I think, look, with divorces, there's so many other areas of law that you need to have some level of expertise in. So, think about it like this. You need to have a general working knowledge of real estate law because there may be property divisions involved and property sales. Also, business and corporate law. If you're doing, if there's a family business involved, you're going to have a general understanding on how corporations work. Tax law to understand, again, the general implications of anything you're doing in your divorce, how it's going to affect your client tax-wise moving forward. Retirement assets and certainly trusts and estates. And I think one of the most important things is criminal defense law, too, because in a lot of these cases, what you'll see is these circumstances begin with, either a verbal or physical altercation, not all, but some, and you end up in local court. The police show up at the house. There's criminal charges filed. It can range anything from harassment to assault to what have you. So you have to have a general working knowledge of all of those areas of law. And I think maybe what's most important is for the real savvy divorce practitioners, you need to know and understand when your case requires more than that. Again, we've talked about forensic accountants. We've talked about business valuators. We've talked about appraisers, psychologists, social worker, counselors. I've always said your expertise is only as valuable many times as the partnerships you have with other experts out there who are prepared to handle the circumstances that might be beyond your base of knowledge. And knowing when, hey, I've got to call in the forensic accountant. Hey, we've got to get a business valuator. But, in our cases, we handle those sorts of situations just about every day. So
to find out more about Dennis and his entire firm, visit his website,
drvetranolaw.com. And listen, you will see information there about the tax implications of divorce, business valuations, those sorts of things. So I encourage you to check it out. You can gain some information there.
Thanks for being with us, Dennis.
Good to see you, Joe.